What we got, guys?
Tank.
Does it still work? Does it still work?
No.
Hey?
No. Only one thing moves.
Doing the gears, Patrick?
Yes?
Where's the gun?
The front. Right there. Cooper! Have to get in. Come on.
Yeah, cool.
Oh.
Look at that, the turret.
That.
That's pretty awesome.
Move out the way. Here comes Cooper. Come on. He got me. Oh, there's a bag of chips and soda. I mean, Coca-Cola.
Look at the gearbox, mate.
Oh, Dad, there's metal that they did.
What have we got here, Nev?
Got a tank, mate. There we go, this.
Still in operating condition, eh?
Yeah, I reckon. If they had a 1.8Z in it, we'd be right.
Oh, I see the
2.8.
motor in it. Yeah,
Not
right
much
there.
left of them.
Inside. Fair enough.
How cool's this, kids?
Good?
Hey?
Good. How do we get in?
You right, darling? I'm coming. So, mate, what do you got going on there?
Pizza.
I think you might need to get your spoon and mix the sauce around. What do you reckon? There you go. What are you going to put on your pizza? Ham and cheese. Good work, mate. Whose pizza is this one for, Coop?
The adults.
Yeah? Looks good, mate. What are you putting on there?
Some green leaves.
Green leaves. Bit of spinach. Should we come and have a look at your pizza and see if it's ready? Come have a look, mate. You want to open the lid and have a look? Open it right up. Oh, looks pretty good to me. Might pour it out. What do you reckon? Scoop her up. No, the one in the bowl. You put the one in the bowl with the tongs and you put it in the oil. Good work.
So we're just about to hit the border track, and we're doing it quite north actually. We're coming in off Feeney's track. Yeah, and we came through Murray Sunset yesterday, and that was really different than Big Desert. Like really, real outback, like real red dirt, sand driving as well. It's incredible to think that this is in Victoria. Like, you know. As you're driving along, it's, you know, you really think that you're in, you know, Central Australia or, you know, somewhere in New South Wales outback. It's just unreal. You know, we're so used to driving the high country, and you know, this has just been great for us. So yep. So we're hitting the border track now, and yeah, really looking forward to it. on the northern end of the border track, just north of Pinaroo at the moment, and you should see what's in front of us. Got hundreds upon hundreds of tumbleweeds. Have a look at them, boys.
Oh my gosh! So much in the way of the track.
Wow. Yeah, guys, you're not going to believe what we got in front. I can't even see the track. There's that many of these bloody things.
Amazing how big they are.
Gonna be having nightmares of screeching sounds.
Yes, it's a horrible sound.
Oh.
You see what was happening there? We were throwing them out, they were falling in as fast as we were throwing them bloody ends out.
Horrible pricks.
Hey Shane, how's Colin's Duco going back there, mate?
Yeah, just going to be a bit of cutting and polishing when we get home, I think. But you buy a four-wheel drive and you want to use it, that's what's going to happen, isn't it?
Too true, mate. This is why one of the reasons why I drive an old bus. You don't have to, you don't cringe every time you hear a screech down the side. But like you just said, this is why we drive them. What's the plan, mate? What are we going down to?
I'll drop it down at about 16. Make it a bit easier to get along these corrugations.
Yeah, that's a go.
Sounds pretty all packed down with that rain we had, but it's just bloody rough. Well, leaf springs don't make it easy.
Too right, mate. What are we going down to, mate?
Down to 18, mate.
Yeah?
That seems to be its happy place.
Yeah, it seems to be a popular choice amongst everyone.
Yeah. We'll see how that goes. We can go lower if need be, but we'll give 18 a crack.
How's Colin going in the sand?
Yeah, no dramas, mate. Loves it.
Yeah, just let's talk about that big June again.
Only one to smash the big June.
Awesome stuff. So now we're on the one-way section of the border track, just south of Pinaroo. Yesterday afternoon the weather turned pretty wild on us. We had pretty strong wind and rain, and it got bitterly cold. So towards the end of the day we opted for the comfort of the Pinaroo pub, which was a welcome sight. Got to have a shower for the first time in a few days, eh boys? Yeah, Mum will be happy with that. But yeah, good counter meal and a few froths at the bar. It was a ripper night actually. So yeah, so now we're on the border track, and all that rain from last night has made the sand quite firm, so traction's not an issue. We're about 18 pound in the tyres and just crawling along in high range at the moment. All right, final night of our big desert trip. And like with all the trips that we do, our tradition is to have an epic meal on our last night. And what have we got tonight, mate?
Big bit of pork.
Hey, have a look at that, eh?
Hey,
What's this jigger here?
one of these thermometers, mate. The lie grill for the Weber.
Beauty.
Should get this. Get that cranking in there soon enough.
We're cheating a little bit, like we normally do it in the fire, but Neville's got this U-Butte set up on the back of his troopy, so we may as well utilise it.
And wood's pretty sparse up here at the moment in the big desert.
Yeah, too right. Not like the high country where you got wood littered everywhere, but yeah. So we're going to give it a go. We're going to do the veggies in the oven because we may as well do it. At least do a little bit of what we usually do. But stay tuned for the results, eh? So we've got the veggies going in the camp oven now. To go with this bit of roast pork. We just cut them off in chunks. Feeding 10 people, so got 2 ovens on the go. Let's give me a bit of a spray. Oh, hang on, that's oil. Like on WD-40. Generously. Give me some of the good stuff. Just flicks off. Yeah, that's probably enough. Bit more. Yep, that's good. Bit of motivation juice. Lids on. Take them over the fire. Got a bit of campsite golf going on in the sand, so we're going to just like some bunker shots. The kids are killing it at the moment. Got the pin about 20 metres away. We've got Patrick at the tee, addressing the ball. Go for it, mate. Oh, not bad, not bad. All right, Jacko. Hang on, mate. Patrick, up here, bud.
Jack, mine was past Coopers. Jack, mine was past Coopers. Cooper, mine was just past yours.
All right, mate. Away you go. That's all right. Alright, the kids have finished their round. Now it's a grown-ups turn. Yeah, here you go, big fella. Stand clear, kids. Anything could happen here. Oh, not a bad approach. Righto, Mr. Pro Wire. Neville, that's your marker. Alright. Whoa-hey! Oh! You hit it! Goal! Oh. Alright, I think we should retire to the 19th after that one. Well done, sir. Big June and the round of golf.
You owe me a beer now, right?
Mate. That was cool.
Grab your balls, Paul. So Shane's going to throw the black ball.
Yep.
Closest big ball wins. And then we tee off from there again.
Alright.
Go on, mate. Oh. It's on the long throw.
Alright.
Go first. Oh. Get in. Andy's shot. Oh, that was a bit too long. Whole shot. Come going the underhand.
Jack,
Yeah,
come on,
get
food
forward,
for the
spin.
lizard. Oh, food for the lizard. Okay. I got food for the lizard, Jack. Food for the lizard.
Alright. Nearly hit the own ball. 78 speeds, that one. Nearly got it.
Shane wins.
Oh, Neville. I reckon first one.
All right, what's the verdict?
Oh yeah, get that crack one.
Oh, look at that. Ripper.